With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, question is given here. Particle of mass m moving with a speed u collides with perfectly inelastically with the another particle 2m at rest. Find the loss in kinetic energy of the system in the collision. Okay, so see here, mass m with velocity u is going in this direction. Okay, and after some instant mass of 2m is here, kept is here with the velocity initial 0. Okay, and this collide with this m mass with 2m mass. Okay, so this is the situation before collision. Okay, after collision this will be after collision, because this is the perfectly inelastically. So after collision this particle m with collide with this 2m and the velocity of this m and 2m, that is 3m particle, will be v. Okay, so now apply conservation of momentum. So initial is how much? mu plus 2m into u value is 0 is equal to how much? Total mass is here 3m into velocity v. Okay, so from here this will be m and m cancel here, so v is equal to here u upon 3. Now we have to find the loss in kinetic energy. So loss in kinetic energy is equal to how much? 1 by 2 mu square initial velocity minus 1 by 2 and mass is here how much? 3m. Okay, after collision, and v is how much? U by 3 square. Okay, so now this will be how much? 1 by 2 mu square minus this will be 3 upon 2 m into u square by 9. Okay, so this will be cancelled by 3 times. Okay, so here take the common 1 by 2 m u square, so this will be 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay, so this will be equal to how much? 1 by 2 mu square into this is how much? This will be 3 minus 1. Okay, 2 upon 3. So 2 and 2 cancel. So loss in kinetic energy will be how much? mu square upon 3. Okay, so this will be our final answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.